Hi everyone, this is Jacob over at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, the #1 Chevy dealership in Illinois. Today I'm in a 2018 Equinox Premier. In this Premier there's actually a big old sunroof moonroof combo in here. And I'm going to show you today where the controls are and how to work it. So the controls are actually going to be up here next to your garage door opener, your universal home remote that you can program up here. But where it is you've got the sunshade on this side and then you've got the actual window on this side. So you can do this one of two ways. You can take the sunshade back. All you do is just pull the trigger to you and that'll go all the way back. And you can actually stop it if you want it to be shaded in the back. Say you have kids in the car seat in the back, you don't want them to be blinded, but you like the sun, so you can do it halfway. Now I'm going to close it back up and I'm going to show you how to open the window. So what you do is you pull the other trigger back and it's going to pull the sunshade back first. And then pull it again. It's going to take the window back. It's just one click on the window. It's going to take it back halfway at first. And you just pull it again towards you. Nice sunny day here in Frankfort. But what you do is now it's open. That's as far as it goes back. It goes halfway back. But to close it, I'm just going to push the trigger in the front. Again, automatic. Hide away from the sun. Close it up. And you're all set there, and then you just put the sunshade all the way back forward. If you guys have any questions on this, any questions at all, please come out and see us. Check out the new 2018 Equinox. It is absolutely amazing. Again, my name is Jacob, and I'd be happy to take care of you. Hope to see you guys soon. Thanks, and have a great day.